I'm going to share with you today the best ChatGPT strategies in 2023 that people are using to make anywhere from $100 to $600 a day with this insane AI tool. Because when I first started online business, I wasn't lucky enough to have all of these tools. Making money fast wasn't the same as today with every opportunities we have on the internet now. So if you want to make profits nowadays, you got to be aware of the last trends and tools, and you want to be one of the early adopters to finally be way ahead of your competitors. Back then, it wasn't as easy as today to make money online. However, the important thing to remember is that back then there was no artificial intelligence. In today's world with artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, anyone who is smart and innovative can easily make money online just by asking the robot what you want. In this video, I'm going to show you the best strategies for ChatGPT that I will start with if I were starting from scratch with no skill, no money, or no time. At any age, you will be able to do this. You can do this worldwide, and you can do this just by using your smartphone or laptop. Let's get started. In the moment, I believe you've heard of OpenAI and a chatbot called GPT. But today I'm going to show you how you can actually make money online using this very, very smart AI bot, even if you're starting from scratch. It's a chatbot that runs on a platform called OpenAI, which is essentially a company that is developing all of these different AI bots. You can scroll down to see that they have DALL-E 2. It is an AI bot that helps us generate images, pretty good tool too. You can also use for some online businesses. I can make a video only about it. If you're interested, just let me know in the comments. Even if you don't have any experience in making money online, GPT knows all of these cool things that can help you do so. In other words, if you ask this bot something, you will get more than accurate answers. So if you just go up there on the page and we open this ChatGPT, you can say, this is how that looks. To use it, basically, all you have to do is ask a simple question to the robot. For example, are NFT a good investment in 2023? Let's say I hit OK, and what will this be? This will, in a real-time manner, basically give you the answer to this question. Yeah, I'm using it on my phone, so you can do the same, and as you can see, it works perfectly too. Just waiting for my new computer to be delivered, by the way, and that's why I couldn't upload this video earlier. Anyway, as you can see now, this bot does exactly what you are going to basically ask it to do. So you have to provide them with some information about what they have to do. So depending on what command we give to this bot, you can see that this is the answer we got already. I'm sorry I cannot predict which specific NFT projects will perform in 2023. It depends on a variety of factors, blah, 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 and you get it. If you scroll down, you will be able to see what recommendation this bot could give. However, you can see that there are still some limitations that you can encounter with this bot. In fact, the biggest limitation you will face with the ChatGPT is that if you add the wrong command, you will receive a not really accurate answer. Just keep in mind that the more details you provide and the better the answer will be. As a result, the number one crucial thing in this video will be to ask the right question if you want to succeed in any of the strategies that I'm about to show you. If you give the right comments, you will actually make money, since most people are trying different strategies to make money with this bot, but they're not using it in a good way, so you want to take advantage of it. A good question will lead you to the right answer, and the right answer could lead to a big payday for you. That's why we're here. So the very first way how you can make money by using GPT is that if you just go on Amazon and you look for some product, for example, warmth jacket, as I was looking at previously, you can just check out, for example, this one. This warmth jacket, thermal running hybrid jacket, or whatever it is. If you open any product on Amazon, you will see this thing. This is basically the product description, so you can see what it says, such as the size chart, or basically the description of the product itself. Okay, so now if you don't already know, people who sell products on Amazon are paying to have this kind of description to make a good and clear one. They are actually paying people to get this product description because they aren't able to do it on their own. And if you work in commerce, you know how important a product description is, especially on the internet. They will go to Fiverr.com and look at the product description section, and you will be able to see how much money they are making. For instance, $100 guys. It's even a Fiverr's choice. She says, I'll write a product description for your Shopify store. And she's starting at $100. It means she has other packages that are more expensive. You can only start from $30 and then create other packages for a higher price. Just with the starting one, you only need to create 10 a day to make $300 a day, which is crazy. One basic product description, 3 bullet points included, an HTML title. This comes for $4 to $5. In the standard package, there is only one product. There is SEO keyword research. For a higher price, you've got the competitor research. It costs $80, and you still get just one single description for one product if you choose the premium plan. These people are taking hours to make all of this. Now, how about you just go into the ChatGPT and you make a product description for the warmth jacket on Amazon. So you just need to ask what to write, like, write me a product description for a warmth jacket to sell on Amazon, and here we go. Introducing the ultimate warmth jacket for the coldest months. Water resistant to keep you dry in wet conditions, cozy insulated lining. So as you can see, it's pretty fast, right? You would just change these specifications because this is something that you will need to. Just add the correct features of the product that your client is asking for. And GPT can just know from your question. And if that's not enough for you, you can just give it a bit more detail. I would suggest adding something about the benefits of the product and what you will receive. So you have now the product description, the features, specifications, and all of that stuff, and at the end it's well structured. You can add anything, I don't know, let's say about warmth pockets, just hit OK and you'll be good to go. Now you have another part to add to the description, and as I said earlier, the more details you give, the better will the answer be. In addition to that, you have another part of the listing just like this. In 2 minutes, I was able to create this, and these guys on Fiverr are getting $4 to $100 for it. Doing this manually will take a lot of effort and time. You are now able to write a catchy product description, create a Fiverr account if you don't have already, create different packages, for example, basic one at $35 for a product description with 3 bullet points, title, and all that stuff, a standard one at $50, for example, where you add 5 bullet points, and finally a premium package at $75 where you add more valuable stuff, and that's it. You can give a fair price, lower than your competition since you'll spend less time and potentially acquire more clients. You can also share these services on Upwork to double your chances to get more clients every day. If you would like to get from me more money-making videos and also more strategies on how to use ChatGPT and different AI tools to make money online, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to make sure you don't miss them if you also want to be part of the early opportunists. As I said, you could also provide this service on Upwork. You can see, for example, that she made more than $4,000, this one over $10K. Whoa, this one over $100K, which is cool, not gonna lie. So you see, these are all the people who are making money with these services. Now what differentiates all of these people on Upwork, all of these people on a Fiverr, is that they have skills, they have the experience, and they can monetize them. But when they started, what they didn't have was the help of AI. Now that you can have ChatGPT and for free, well, at least as when I'm doing this video, it's still free, but the tool is so powerful that I don't know if it will be free for a long time. But the fact is, if you ask the right questions to ChatGPT, you can outperform all of these people and you can do it much, much faster. Without AI, the SEO keywords research, for example, will take you 20 minutes or 30 minutes to complete for one product. With artificial intelligence, you'll get it generated basically in a few seconds or just 1 to 2 minutes, and you'll get all the SEO keywords, low competition keywords, high competition keywords, and everything you need. Now you can do multiple services in the same time, since what would take a normal person few hours or even few days to do, you'll get it done in a few minutes. So don't sleep on it in 2023. You can do email marketing, and people are paying a lot for that too. Look at this, $100, $25 starting price, $50 here, and then you could also make social media captions. People will literally pay you to write their Instagram description or tweets or LinkedIn posts for $50, $100 again. You can check the top rated to have a better idea. You can see for $100 again, and some of them are at $185. The possibilities to make money from home are endless now. Using ChatGPT, you can make a big amount of money even if you want to use it only as a side hustle. But as we just saw, you can also become a freelancer and be your own boss working from home or wherever you want, as long as you have an internet connection. Plus, you can say that you help businesses to make more money as you are more efficient. You provide more and faster results using all of this at your own advantage. You don't even need skills or years of experience nowadays. You just need to provide the right informations to ChatGPT, the good questions, and it will answer back with the best results, more accurate than a human. And that's why you would rather use it today to be ahead of most of people and take it at your advantage, because you can charge money for it, and doing more than $500 a day is now reachable for anyone with a computer or even just a smartphone and an internet connection. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you received any value from it, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to not miss the next money-making opportunities on the channel. And I'll see you on the next one.